Hello everyone, I'm Provic, your church media solution guy, and you're welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be comparing two microphones. Here with me I have the Behringer XM8500 dynamic microphone, and I also have the Tasca DMST7 condenser microphone. Most people choose mics based on the brand or how loud they sound. Other times the signal strength in the case of wireless microphone, but what actually matters is the pickup pattern. So the microphone pickup pattern is how it hears sound from different direction or how it picks up sound from different direction. Understanding this can save you from feedback noise that can ruin your events or the moment you're trying to capture. Let me show you what I mean, and this is something you can test yourself when getting any microphone. As I do this, notice how my voice changes as I change the mic's position. Hello everyone, this is me speaking directly into the microphone. Hello everyone, this is me speaking from the side of the microphone. Hello everyone, this is me speaking from behind the microphone. Notice how the sound drops as I move away from the front. This is me speaking directly into the microphone. This is me speaking from the side of the microphone. This is me speaking from behind the microphone. Notice how the mic still picks up more of my voice from the side and from behind, as well as the ambience of the room. This is what is called a microphone polar pattern. It is how a microphone picks up sound from different directions. In a real environment like a church where there are a lot of instruments and loudspeakers, this difference really matters. Both microphones are great, but they serve different purposes. The Behringer XM8500 mic is better suited for vocals, where clarity and control are more important, especially in environments with loudspeakers, while the Tasca condenser mic is more sensitive and works well for capturing ambient sound and can be used as a crowd mic or to mic instruments in areas with less direct speaker interference. So when choosing a microphone, don't just test how loud it sounds, test how it behaves from different directions, and also consider the environment you're going to be using it in. The goal isn't to get the loudest mic, but it's to get the right mic for the right job. If you found value out of this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.